Alright, parcel arrived, tore it open. There's an extra bonus in the parcel. iSteady Q. Been waiting for a little while. I don't know if you can read that. There we go. It came with a bonus gift. Have a look. Ah, killer. Little selfie light. Yeah, now I can be really vain. Let's have a look. Oh, shame it wasn't a colour one, but that's cool. That's pretty cool, man. And I didn't ask for that. That just came in the packet, so that's awesome. Thank you very much, OM. Let's crack this open. I have bought some of their products. Alright, scan that. Oh, it's got its own book. Cool. That's handy. What's this? Cover. Beautiful. That's soft. Luxurious. Oh, yeah. What's that? Alrighty, that's the cable. I've got so many cables, it's not funny. How many plugs you got in your house? Here she is. Been waiting for this, eh? Been using the, I'll show you. Alright. So I've got an iSteady M7. I'm registered on their app, so maybe that's why they sent me a gift, because I'm buying their products. I don't know. This is it. Alright. Tripod. That's interesting. This is your gimbal. That's where your phone goes. Plenty of room there. What I like about it is switch it on. It's got a remote. It's pretty cool. This button here, 3 pushes will change front to back camera. 2 pushes will change from video to photo. 1 push will start the video or photo. So take a photo or start the video and stop the video. These buttons here, zoom in and zoom out. This one here will spin the gimbal round and round, 360 degrees, left or right. This one here, this is your mode button, by the way. This is on and off button up here. So on, off. This one down here, this has got lots of different things you can do, different angles and stuff. As you can see, that'll spin like that. If I had my phone in, which I couldn't be bothered to be honest right now, it can, I can show you on and off videos, but it's pretty cool. It also can switch directions, so it can fold down. And your phone, you should actually turn the gimbal off before you move it around, so you're not fighting the phone can sit in here like in landscape mode as well. It's bloody awesome, man. It sits in there landscape mode. There's a 1, 2, 3, I think it is, maybe 1, 2, 3. See, it can go around 360. It'll do a circle. It'll just keep going around. That's cool, man. It's got tracking. It tracks with OK. It starts and stops video with the 2 fingers up. OK track, stop tracking, single hand palm. Yeah, it's pretty good, man. I really like it. Anyway, can't wait to get out and start using it. It's going to be a blast. You know, I really like their, I'll turn that off. I'm going to show you here what the thing is, right, what the go is. This one here is pretty awesome. It's really wicked for using it whilst you're cooking, outside, if you want to get really good flowing shots and stuff. You know, you want to use it on the tripod if you're doing interviews. It's got face tracking, it's got all the stuff, man. It's pretty cool. Like, it's got a heap more angles than this one, but you know, you really got to be keen to go out and get this out and set it all up and get it all working. It's a bit of a mission. It's a bloody good kit, but like I say, you want to be doing a day of filming or have a special project on. Whereas this one here, boom, in here, in your bag. That's it. That's the Ho MQ. There's a bit more to it than what I gave you, but not a lot.